Hello, this is an outbalanced vacuum gripper. A little bit the same that what we're thinking for you guys. So outbalanced works this way, that if you let it go, it stays. But you just need to add a little pressure up or down, just a couple of grams, and the gripper will move with you. So it's an extension of your hand in that way, that you just move it up and down and it works with you. We have a couple of controls on here. We have two off buttons on this one. You guys will only have to press on one off button, and we also have an on button on your guys' vacuum grippers. You will have auto start, so you don't need the green button. You only need to press one red button to release. That's it. We have for both of the load and the gripper, we have regulators over here that you can shift the balance with. So if you wanted to go easy down, we can make it like that, but then it's a bit harder to move up. But that's especially good when moving from different loads at different times. So you can do that with the load regulator as well. I can show you now, this is a 12 kilo weight, so it's quite heavy to move around by hand. It's quite a lot, but if I use this one, I'll just press the green button and now it's out balanced. So same here, just adding a little bit of pressure up or down, and it's very, very light. So it's more or less weightless right now. So you can move it around even though it's a 12 kilo weight. You can move it around really quickly. If I take it by hand, it's really, really heavy. But then if I use the gripper, and I'm just adding a little bit of pressure up and a little bit of pressure down. So it's really, really fast, and you don't feel it at all, more or less. So now if we want it to be heavier up or down, you can do that with a regulator. So now it's very easy to push down, but it's a little bit tougher to move up. But you can play around with that. Sometimes, you know, the body is better to lift something like that than to press it down, so you might want it to be a little bit more heavy up. But yeah, it's very fast to regulate that one. So once again, it's very, very quick and easy to maneuver.